Alright, we are in the elevator at the Hyatt house in Seattle, Washington. And these things are very busy, but what I will show you is a tour of our hotel room. We are on the 6th floor. There's the elevator. It's a pretty neat hotel. We are down here in room 608, where we are going to have, I think we're in 608. Find the right room? Yeah, the key wouldn't.
Guess your key would. We have others.
Alright, well this is room 608 of the Hyatt house in Seattle, Washington. You have a sink here, as well as a working stove. That's pretty cool. So this is actually a suite.
Yes.
And you have that thing where you have to stick a card in to make everything work. You have a microwave.
Interesting holes in the cabinets. You can see the dishes inside.
This is more of, wouldn't this be like an extended stay place?
Sort of. Full dishwasher. We also have a tucked under fridge.
With an
Freezer.
actual
Ice
freezer.
trays. Look at that.
Wow. And there's this bar right here, place to sit. Now as you come in here, this is the living area where we have a sofa sleeper with a nice view of the Space Needle. Say you don't want the view, you can just close the blinds like that. They're electric. That is pretty cool. Go ahead and open it back up. But this is a sofa with a hide-a-bed with a footstool, and the TV is interesting. You can have it face the bedroom or the living room. And nice painting of the Space Needle. And yes, I'm tired when I'm making this tour. You have a closet with sheets and stuff for the hide-a-bed. And then here's the bathroom. It has a feature that I really, really like. That's right, a cast iron bathtub. Shower pressure is adequate. Over here is your sink with plenty of light for shaving. Here is the toilet. Let's make sure it's clean. It is clean. It's American standard. Let's make sure it flushes. That flushes properly. Is this a 2-queen bed? We have a 2-queen bed room here. And as you see, this room has plenty of space. Now, Zach, lay on the bed and tell me what you think about it.
Well, I already know what I think. There's a nice mixture of soft.
But this is where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. I know the Marriott in Richmond and Detroit had some dirty little secrets. Let's see if the Hyatt house in Seattle, Washington is hiding any dirty little secrets under here. They feel nice, but are they clean? All right, under here, looking good so far. All All right, this is where it can get nasty. Under here.
Full mattress, though, not mattress. Oh, is this a mattress?
No, that's a pillow top mattress.
What is this on the side?
It's a pillow top mattress.
Oh, okay.
These are similar to the mattresses the Days Inns had. All right, that bed is pristine. It doesn't just pass my cleanliness test.
So look at this, though. Is this normal?
Oh,
It's like a foam.
that's like inside. That's inside the mattress.
Oh, is it like a hole?
Might be.
That's strange. Okay. All right.
But that bed's clean. Ooh, what do we have here? Just some. It's like an old dirt stain. It's nothing like serious. These sheets, obviously, you can tell are older. Of course, they're still running fluorescent bulbs in there. That's why the color rendering is so bad. But that bed was clean. Let's see if this one is clean. All right, this just cut right to the chase. We have the mattress cover. Oh, there's a little stain. Actually, no. There's one hair. I can't tell if that's a stain or just the poor color rendering of the fluorescent light. Right here, is that a stain? Okay, it's just a poor color rendering. Under here. All right, so
Hey, what is this?
part of the mattress pad?
Oh. You don't think it's a paper towel?
No.
Oh, yeah, I think you're right. I think it's just the quality.
So I will have to say this hotel passes my cleanliness test.
This one seems to have its side put together. That's weird how that's...
So now that we've seen the room, this place was not cheap.
No, it wasn't.
What did you pay for this?
I don't know. It was over $400.
So yeah, it's not cheap. So for that price, it better be clean. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this hotel room tour. There's the thermostat of the Hyatt. Is this the Hyatt Place or Hyatt House? Hyatt House in Seattle, Washington. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.